So today, we are exploring the critical relationship between projects and organizations. So project management has evolved from beyond simple planning tools, and it is now the essential bridge that transforms strategic objectives into real organizational ventures. So I want you to think of EasyJet's laser focus on safety and efficiency because every project EasyJet's approve directly supports these core objectives. Okay? So we will discover how successful organizations align their project portfolios with strategic goals, manage resource constraints effectively, and create governance structures that ensure projects do deliver maximum value. Okay? So remember, it is not about doing everything. Okay? So it is actually about doing the right things exceptionally well. Now, by the end of this session, you will understand how to deploy organizational strategy through projects, manage portfolios and programs, and establish proper project governance. Okay? So let's begin this journey from strategy to successful project delivery. Okay, so let us be clear about what we are going to achieve today. So we have two fundamental learning objectives. The first one is you will understand how an organization's strategy directly affects its projects. Okay? So this is not just theory. You will be able to learn how business goals influence which projects get selected, funded, and prioritized, and how they determine the way projects are actually executed. And second, we will master the process of strategy deployment. We will take those high-level business goals and transform them into concrete project work. So these are not just separate concepts, they do work together. So strategy without execution is just a wishful thinking, but projects without strategic alignment waste resources and effort. So today, you will learn to connect both seamlessly. Okay, so let us look at a powerful real-world example, the EasyJet. So following the rise of budget airlines like the Southwest, EasyJet emerged as a major player in Europe's aviation market. So what made EasyJet successful, of course, was not luck. It was laser-sharp strategic focus. From their humble beginnings with limited resources, they concentrated on achieving results in key corporate objectives. So they clearly express in their mission statement. Okay? So notice their mission. It is to provide safe, good value, point-to-point air services, appealing to leisure and business markets while developing our people and establishing lasting relationships with suppliers. So this mission, the EasyJet's mission, do provide crystal clear direction. Safety is non-negotiable. We'll get this wrong and they lose everything. Good value means moving passengers in the most efficient, cheapest manner possible. So every project gets evaluated against these criteria based on EasyJet's mission. So projects that improve website transaction speed or reduce aircraft ground time Well, that will be approved immediately. So, projects that do not directly support efficiency, of course, will be directly rejected. So, the result? Everyone in the firm, in the organization, has a clear sense of purpose and strategic alignment. Okay, so EasyJet's success comes from having a really clear and simple game plan. Now, let me break down their mission statement for you. So, their mission basically says we want to fly people safely from point A to point B at good prices, both for vacation travelers and business people, while taking care of our employees and maintaining good relationships with our suppliers. Now you notice how how beautiful, simple, how very beautiful, very simple their mission is. So it is not trying to be everything to everyone. They are not claiming to be the most luxurious airline or the best entertainment systems. They have chosen their battlefield. So their battlefield is safe, efficient, affordable, point to point travel. So this clarity becomes their project filter. So does a proposed project make flights safer? Green light. Does it reduce cost or improve efficiency? Green light. Does it help maintain good supplier relationships? Green light. So everything else, not interested. Okay? So this is the strategic focus in action. Knowing exactly what you are trying to achieve and ruthlessly aligning every project to support those goals. Okay, so let us drill down into EasyJet's two main strategic priorities. So the first one, safety first. Why? Because just one accident could destroy their entire business model. So budget airlines live on trust and reputation. They lose that and they are finished. Second, keeping costs low. Well, this is not just about being cheap. It is their competitive advantage. Lower costs mean cheaper tickets, which means they can compete directly with traditional airlines and they win. So here is where strategy meets project reality. So EasyJet is so disciplined about this focus that would they won't approve any project unless it is either makes their website faster for booking tickets, reduces how long planes sit around at airports between flights, or somehow would help them save money. Okay? So this is a brutal strategic discipline in action. No pet projects, no nice to have features, no following the latest trends. Every single project must directly support their two core priorities. So this is how you turn strategy into project selection criteria. Okay, so now let us see the magic happen. How do abstract strategic goals become specific project work? Okay? So safety goals translate directly into aircraft maintenance projects. So these are not optional or when we have time activities. They are mission critical projects that ensure every flight meets safety standards. So efficiency goals become website improvement projects. Why? Because every second a customer spends struggling with their booking system costs money and potentially loses customers to competitors. Cost, cost reduction goals transform into ground time optimization projects. So every minute a plane sits underground between flights is of course a loss of the revenue. So projects that reduce turnaround time directly impact the bottom line. So this is strategy deployment in action. You start with high-level business goals, then systematically identify the specific projects needed to achieve those goals. So it is not guesswork. It is a logical, traceable connection from boardroom strategy to project team execution. So this is how successful organizations do ensure every project dollar spent moves them closer to their strategic objectives. Okay, so let us wrap up our discussion of projects and organizations. So today, we focused on one powerful example, the EasyJet, that perfectly demonstrates how organizational strategy drives project decisions. So we saw how EasyJet's clear mission statement created a strategic filter for all their projects. So their two main priorities, that is safety first and keeping costs low, became the criteria for every project decision. So we do learn that successful organizations like the EasyJet do not try to do everything. Instead, they have brutal strategic discipline. So every project must either improve safety, reduce costs, or enhance efficiency. So no exceptions. Now, this is the key lesson. When you have crystal clear strategic priorities, project selection becomes straightforward. So abstract goals like safety and efficiency translate directly into specific projects like aircraft maintenance, website improvements, and ground time optimization. Well, the key takeaway? Strategy without clear project alignment is just a wishful thinking. But when you connect them systematically like EasyJet does, you create focused organizational success. So this is how you turn strategic objectives into measurable project results. So that's it. Have a great day, everyone.